Inserting images in Google Sheets is simple and enhances visual presentation. To add an image, select cell A1 or any other cell. Go to the Insert menu at the top, then choose Image. Then choose Insert image in cells or over cells. I will choose for now Insert image over cells. Then you can browse your image. I will choose this one. Click Open. And you can see an image is loaded here. You can click and drag wherever you want to. You can also resize the image by clicking at the bottom corner. Now, if you want to delete the image, click this three dot, then select Delete Image. Now, if you want to insert image in a particular cell, you can also do that. Go to Insert, select Image, select Insert Image in Cell, then browse, double click, and you can see the image is inserted. However, it may appear too small at first. You can expand your rows and columns to resize the image. This method keeps your spreadsheet organized while seamlessly integrating visuals, enhancing both clarity and functionality.